When it comes to DIY projects, choosing the right tool can make or break your success. Whether you're sealing cracks around your windows or fixing gaps in your bathroom, the right caulking gun can save you time, effort, and frustration. But with so many options out there, how do you know whether to go manual or electric? In today's video, we'll break down the pros and cons of both so you can decide which one's best for your next project. What is a caulking gun? A caulking gun is an essential tool for applying sealants like caulk or adhesives. It's a must-have for DIYers tackling home repairs like sealing windows, filling bathtub joints, or fixing leaks. There are two main types of caulking guns, manual and electric, and each has its advantages depending on your project. Manual caulking guns, the classic choice. Manual caulking guns are the tried and true option for many DIYers. They work by using a lever mechanism to push sealant through the nozzle. While you'll need some hand strength for thicker materials, these guns are affordable, lightweight, and incredibly easy to use. Pros: affordable. Most manual caulking guns cost under $20, making them a great budget-friendly choice. Lightweight and simple. They're easy to handle and require no setup. If you're just sealing a few gaps around trim or windows, this is your go-to tool. Cons: effort intensive. For longer projects or thick materials like silicone, you may experience hand fatigue. Inconsistent application. It can be harder to apply caulk evenly, especially for beginners. Ideal for small DIY tasks, like filling gaps in trim or fixing minor cracks with latex or acrylic caulk. Electric caulking guns for bigger jobs. Electric caulking guns, either battery-operated or pneumatic, take the physical strain out of the job, with a motor or air pressure doing most of the work. These guns allow you to apply sealant quickly and with greater precision. They're perfect for tough, thick materials like silicone or foam, and ideal for larger-scale projects. Pros: effortless. No more squeezing or forcing thick caulk through the nozzle. Electric guns do the hard work for you. Precise and consistent, they provide a steady, controlled flow of sealant, making them perfect for professional-level work or larger tasks. Cons: cost. Electric caulking guns can range from $50 to over $150. Bulkier and requires power. They're heavier and need a power source, either a battery or an air compressor for pneumatic models. Ideal for larger jobs or professional projects that require continuous, fast application of caulk, adhesives, or foam. Key differences between manual and electric caulking guns. While both types of caulking guns get the job done, they each have strengths suited to different tasks. Here's a quick breakdown. Performance. Manual guns require more effort, while electric guns do the heavy lifting. If you're working on a big project, an electric gun can save you hours of hand strain. Project size. Manual guns are best for smaller DIY projects, but if you're sealing large areas or working on commercial projects, electric guns are far more efficient. Precision and control. Electric guns provide smooth, controlled applications, while manual guns may require more finesse and effort for even results. Portability. Manual guns are lightweight and easy to store, while electric guns are heavier and require power, whether battery or air compressor. Price. Manual guns are budget-friendly, usually under $20. Electric guns can range from $50 to over $150, depending on the model. Which one should you choose? When deciding between a manual or electric caulking gun, think about the type of job you're doing. For small jobs, if you're just sealing a few gaps or applying caulk around a window, a manual gun is more than enough. It's affordable, easy to use, and great for smaller DIY tasks. For larger projects, if you're working with thick materials like silicone or foam, or you're tackling a big project like sealing an entire roof, an electric caulking gun will make the job faster and easier. Budget. If you're on a tight budget or only need a caulking gun occasionally, stick with the manual version. But if you plan on using it frequently or need precision for professional tasks, investing in an electric model will be worth it. Ease of use. If you want a tool that's comfortable for long hours of work, go for an electric model. If you're only doing small, occasional jobs, the manual gun will be sufficient. Conclusion. In the end, both manual and electric caulking guns have their place in the DIY world. Manual guns are perfect for small, occasional tasks, while electric guns shine in larger projects where precision, power, and consistency are key. By choosing the right tool for your project size, material, and budget, you'll get the job done faster and with better results.